Yeah, our battery died, Andrew. What are you doing? Where'd the kitties go? There, go find them. Oh, got the ball? So where are the kitties at, Andrew? You don't know? You lost them? Hey, hey, hey. Oh. Close that door. Thank you. Good boy. No. Close the door. No. No. You're so silly. What? What are you doing? What are you doing? You got that? Oh, be careful. You got it. Playing with a kitty toy. Huh? You like the kitty toy? You're such a little silly boo. So where'd the kitties go? Where'd the kitties go, huh? Are they hiding from you? I think they're hiding from you. Hey, hey, hey. That's not what goes in Andrew's mouth. Little bear! Look, Andrew, over there. Look, over there, it's Little Bear. Andrew. Look, over there, it's Little Bear. Andrew. Andrew, come here. Look. Look this way. Andrew. Andrew. Andrew, come here. Andrew. Andrew. Guess he gave up on the kitties. What you doing? What you doing, cute boy? Andrew. You like the little bell? Andrew. Andrew, come here. Come here. Come here, Andrew. What are you doing over there? Come here. Whoa. Whoa. Did I scare you? I'm sorry, bud. Yep, there's your kitty friends again. Yeah, that's Pokey. There you go. Whoops, be careful. Poor kitties probably never forgive me for this.